So, good evening, everyone. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Maths Suram. So, today we are going to see one important question that is very easy question as well. So, let's see what is that question. If 1 minus 3p by 2, 1 plus 4p by 3 and 1 plus p upon 6 are the probabilities probabilities of 3 mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Find out the set of all values for P. Let's see its proof. Let E1, E2, and E3 be mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, such that probability of E1 is equal to 1 minus 3p by 2. Probability of E2 is equal to 1 plus 4p by 3 and probability of E3 is equal to 1 plus p by 6. Since E1, E2 and E3 are mutually exclusive implies probability of E1 union E2 union E3 is equal to probability of E1 plus probability of E2 plus probability of E3. Let's say it 1. And E1, E2, and E3 are, are exhaustive, exhaustive. We have E1 union E2 union E3 is this S is sample space. Okay, so what does it mean? Probability of E1 union E2 union E3. What will be this? Probability of S. The probability of whole sample space is 1. We know it. But probability of E1 union probability of E2 union E3 is equal to 1. So from 1 and 2, we get probability of E1 plus probability of E2 plus probability of E3 is equal to 1. So what is E1? Probability of E1 is 1 minus 3p by 2. What is PE2? 1 plus 4p by 3. Probability of E3 is 1 plus p by 6 is equal to 1. So take LCM. LCM will be 6. So it will 3 times 1 minus 3p. 2 times of 1 plus 4p. And it will be 1 time 1 plus p is equal to 1. So what will be? So 3 minus 9p, 2 plus 8p, 1 plus p is equal to 6. So this will be 6. Okay. So this part. So this part is this is 6. This is 6 plus 9p plus 9p is equal to 6. So this is cancel out. 6 is equal to 6. What does it mean? What does it mean? For any value. So what does it mean? It means for any value of p which make 1 minus 3p upon 2 non-negative, 1 4p by 3 non-negative, and 1 plus p by non-negative. So what does it mean? It will be 1 minus 3p greater than 0, 1 plus 4p than 0, and 1 plus p greater than 0. So 1, so it means this will be this will be and p will be okay. So after from here what is follow? It follow that 1 minus 4 less than p less than 1.3. So this is the suitable value of p. So this is the answer. So today's answer we got. So today's question is done. So we will meet you for next question. Like, share, comment, and subscribe my question. Thank you very much.